With a passion for team development,
Building successful startups requires tenacity, grit, and focus.
he has 25 years of experience in multiple IT platforms.
New product moment is an experience, whether experience from the employees, experience sake or customer experience sake.
Music India A-List proudly recognizes Natraj Narayan for excellence in information technology.
Hello and a very warm welcome. You're watching NewsX A-List. Today, I'm joined with Mr. Natraj Narayan. He's the Managing Director of Nirmata. A very warm welcome to the show, sir.
Thanks, Richa, for the nice introduction.
Sir, talking about Nirmata, you've been working for years, and this is now your next career stop. The reason for choosing Nirmata?
See, it's a very interesting question, Richa. I looked at the four parameters. One is the team, technology, market, and customers. These are all the four main pillars. Nirmata has built a best-in-class solution to address these challenges. I specifically look at for the founders that are obsessed and with the delighted customers and solving tough problems. Building successful startups requires tenacity, grit, and focus. I feel that Nirmata team is out innovating everyone in this market by focusing on the long game. Nirmata has built best-in-class solution that is a developer friendly, and that is one of the reasons why I chose Nirmata as my next career move.
And you bring on board 30 years of experience. What is your plan of action for Nirmata?
See, first and foremost, to build a strong engineering team in India. And definitely that is already on cards, and we have been a little progress on that. Second and foremost is to boost the sales strategy. And I always used to tell that partnership and channel-led sales strategies always work for us. We recently had a barometer check when we participated in Accenture Venture Challenge, and where we have been selected as one of the top 100 cloud participants. So that means we already have, I think, a taste of success. And in fact, my friend all used to say, if you cut Natraj hand, they will only smell channels and strategy.
I think that's a couple of other things that people would talk about you is about innovation, bringing about understanding of technology and even execution of projects. You have expertise in doing that, and it seems like professionals nowadays have it, miss on it. What would you consider? How would you explain nowadays professionals if they want to achieve these things? What should be the way forward for them?
See, I think it's a very nice question. And it is for the company as well as the professional, it never changed, right? The one basic bottom line is if you change with the time, then time will never leave your side. I think if you really see the 20 years back top 10 companies, right? I'm sure that half of it would not be in the list today, right? You know why? Because the life is all about the change, whether it's a technology change or typically the environment change and so on. So we are all talk about today the new Kodak movement. So what is the new Kodak movement? New Kodak movement is an experience, whether experience from the employees, experience sake or customer experience sake or stakeholders experience sake. If a professional or company has able to crack these three main pillars, right? I think they are going to exist in the market.
Explain to me, sir. You've been a professional for so many years. You've spearheaded so many jobs, works. What, according to you, makes for a good worker, and what is in it that should be existing in a professional for an ability to excel? You made a very valid point right now that people need to change with times, and so do companies and professionals have to. What are the added qualities that one needs?
I think it is always basically from the past, right? The dedication and keenness to innovate and excel, and also the knowledge and expertise, right? Follow this automatically. I'm sure that I still remember the Three Idiots when Amir Khan used to say, right, that I think run for an excellence, the rest will follow. I think that's always been the case.
Do you think that has been the reason for you for being successfully spearheading multiple organizations? Do you consider that those abilities in yourself are the ones that professionals need nowadays for a progression in a professional life?
Yeah, progression will initially measure by one's knowledge and learnings. So based upon the skills and expertise, roles and opportunities will automatically come, right? But one has to really see the readiness to take some risk and aggression. This only can give you the steep progression because I think more the risk that you take, I think the more you tend to benefit. But as a check, right? You also have to be cognizant that you should be ambitious, but can be ambitious, but not greedy, right? I think you need to have a balance in both.
I think that balance comes with maturity and age, sir. Nowadays, generation wants it quick and fast and quickly. That's why we know everything they want it on a blink of a second. But keeping in mind your expertise and understanding and knowledge, what is your vision ahead for Nirmata?
See, I think I used to work in Hexavan, and Atul, who's the chairman, used to always say, I think vision is connected with the mission, right? Vision without a mission is a daydream, but mission without a action is a nightmare, right? So while basically our vision is to be in 3 to 5 years is to be $1 billion to evaluation, probably unicorn from the Nirmata. But however, that cannot be done. Our mission is already been started. When I'm saying said, right? During the past 12 months, I have seen accelerated adoption of the Kubernetes in production environment, right? In order to benefit every Kubernetes, customer and Nirmata has decided to open source this our policy engine. We name it Kyverno. It has been seen that there is a 6 million downloads in 1 month. So that means already, I think the developers or probably the organization which tend to use the open source, they tend to use the Kyverno. So that's a wide adoption. So all we are talking about how to monetize this particular the momentum and then take basically Nirmata to 3 to 5 years, definitely a unicorn.
That would be excellent. I would just want one thing to know from you, that has COVID actually helped the organization, or has it worked? How has it been for you as an organization?
I think COVID definitely has basically helped a new age organization, right? Whether it is automation or open source, because this work from home culture, right? Mm-hmm. Earlier, it is always used to be seen as a very, very skeptical, right? Absolutely. None of the organization believed in so, not the customer, right? And specifically have been where the ODC has been created, and none of the basically organization which is predominantly work on the products, right? They never given access to the employees beyond the work facility, right? So now with COVID, right? I think you can tap the talent across anywhere in the geography, and you really don't need to bound them through the office. But at the same time, the productivity, right? I think the place like a Bangalore or Pune, even any crowded city, the number of hours basically you travel to reach to the office, same thing can be converted into the product. I think the really the useful timings, right? In fact, you can be very, very productive for the 2 hours of the travel time, right? And can make use of work in Excel in your work environment.
Do you consider that the working culture in the country has improved over the years?
Certainly, yes, because see, the way when I think we used to work, right? That time it will be a multi-skilled culture, right? I think now from the multi-skilled culture, it has come to the focused on one as a specialized culture. And this is what basically the West has always been following up, right? Then when you're talking about in today's world, the full stack is nothing but, I think, how do you focus completely on one particular specialized skills, right? And yes, at the same time, I think you can really look at it, the environment in and around. Definitely, people are responding to demands and challenges today.
You know, it is for a professional themselves to be successful. You need a lot of support around yourself. Who do you think has been behind your success?
So I think there is always a say, right? Behind every successful man, there is always a woman, right? So in my case, there are 3 women, right? And my mother, because whenever I was growing, she's undoubtedly a leader, right? I think she's taught me basically how to typically help and manage the situation, however the situation is, because as a childhood, we never had plenty of everything, right? But at the same time, we have everything to, I think, that we can manage ourselves. So same thing, I think when we grew up, definitely my wife, Jayashree, I think she has been very, very supportive, whatever basically the action that I have taken many risks in my life. I've been into the many places, but however, I think I have definitely got a full support from her. And the third one, which nowadays challenges me, is my daughter, Kritika. You know what, I think she's been plugged onto the various technologies. And I think to cope up with that, right, I think I always try to learn new and new to match up with the next gen, basically the people.
So if I can rightfully put it, that the people who have been behind your success are also the people who motivate you, for you to motivate other people ahead to succeed in their life.
Absolutely. I think.
Before I let you go, I really want to ask you, because you've been a professional for so many years. You've been part of a lot of organizations. You are looking ahead as Nirmata being a unicorn itself. Do you see India progressing to be $1 trillion economy?
Absolutely, yes. I think if I'm not wrong, we were around 2.89 trillion before the pandemic. But however, I think certainly it has some in between a slowdown that has always been a part, right? But however, I think I particularly feel we will be basically around 5 trillion in the next 4 years. I'm sure that India would grow to that. And not only that, I think we have a potential of being 10 to 15 trillion in next 2 decades, right? If you play it right. Indian companies are pretty ambitious, and Indian market is also opening up. Right? The India will emerge as one of the largest global markets, both in terms of the consumption and market. And this will drive the behavior of basically how you will achieve your objectives. And with the Modi, I think the wave, right? The way the digitization and so on, you can never imagine I think remote place in village can use Paytm and so on. I think that has become a reality, right? Definitely, I think we are moving faster than what we thought.
I mean, we are hoping that you are moving in the right direction. And for companies like yourselves at Nirmata, which are helping the new age generation also progress along. Thank you so much for speaking to NewsX, and congratulations on your new adventure.
Richa, pleasure to be here, and thanks for giving me an opportunity to talk to you. Thanks.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.